who are these beneficiaries that have demonstrated good borrowing behavior. So because of the rating, those who are rating A's and B's, now those are eligible for graduation. But you know, like any other rehabilitation, you do not just shock people to normalcy. Okay, so because again, if you do that, then they can lapse to their original status that you're trying to cure. So what we did, we needed to bridge. And now bridging is to graduate. As we graduate, and I'm happy because today, George, tonight, you have just graduated the bridge. Congratulations. And so when you are signing up, you are now, and you are A3, congratulations, George. And it's real. You need to tell the viewers that it's real.
Actually, we tried it.
We've tried it here, and you've seen you've graduated, and you know how much you can borrow. So now, once you are on the bridge product, these are the benefit. Okay. And within the bridge product, what are we trying to see? We now expose you to a banking environment. And when you are signing up, when you're opting in on the bridge product, you are being asked to select a bank. So still 254 hash. You start selecting a bank. After you've selected a bank which you are there, which I know you selected, I won't tell viewers which bank you pointed to. You also asked to indicate the purpose why you're borrowing. Remember, on the personal loan, we are not being asked what it is personal as it can get. You can borrow for business, you can borrow for whatever need that you have. But on the bridge now, we start being more specific. We want to understand these people who are good borrowers, what are they doing? So then we can come up with other intervention to support them even better. So first of all, we introduce you now to the banking experience. Initially on the personal, of course, digital loans, there is always a bank, but you really do not know which bank is serving you. But now the bank becomes more explicit, your relationship with the bank on the bridge product. Now, why are we asking you to pick a bank? So that now the bank can start building a relationship with you, getting to understand you. Some can start even visiting you and asking you, we have this opportunity coming up, maybe we have this facility. You see, they want to know you more so that then they can start supporting you. So why that is important is because when you go to the bank today to ask for a facility, they're going to ask you of 6 months bank statement. And you don't even have an opportunity to acquire that. Picture that young person who has just turned 18 years and does not have, he's not banked, he does not have an account. So how does this young person then acquire the banking experience? So we've created now that platform. So from the credit history which you have, we start now exposing your credit history to the banking environment. You start building your banking history. So from there, now the banks will be seeing and watch you now closely. Some of them will interact with you. If you don't have a bank account, they reach out to you. You will open a bank account. I know most of the people are selecting, some do not have a bank account, but they reach out to you. So that experience you're going to have there, and they will monitor what you're doing and how you are scoring. Because on the bridge product, 3 things will happen. Number 1, we'll seek to understand why you're, first of all, there will be the relationship with the bank, which bank of your choice, of course, the participating banks which are there, you choose. And then number 2, you will get to know why you're borrowing. Are you borrowing for business or even for personal emergency? Now, if you're borrowing for business, you'll be able to indicate the sector in which you're doing, and we have various categories that are there. So you'll pick whichever category is close to what you're borrowing for. And then why is that important? So that when the banks start interacting with you, they start now seeing which kind of support you need. Even for us in government, if we want, for example, to subject you to some sort of capacity building, it become more targeted, it become more specific to you to help you better.